Hello viewers, in this lecture I will show you how to work with while loop. So suppose we have to print a number from 0 to 10. So we will simply initialize a variable I is equal to 0. This is the initialization. Then we will check for the condition while I is less than 10. Now after this while we will put colon. Now this colon means print I. Now this space means it is called indentation. This means whatever is written after this space, it is the body of while. So it will be executed when while condition is true. So I will be printed. Now after printing, what we want to do? We want to do the increment. I is equal to I plus C. Python does not support this operator I plus plus. This is not valid in Python. Okay. So either you can write I is equal to I plus 1, or you can write I plus equal to 1. This is actually shorthand notation of above 1. Okay. So what happens now? This I is equal to 0. Now condition will be checked. I is less than 0. Condition is true. So I will be printed. Then again I will be incremented by 1. Now 1 will be checked. 1 is less than 10. Then 1 will be printed. So let's run the code. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See, it is printing till 9. One to 9. Now if we want 1 to 9 in a straight line, then what we will write? We will use a separators. Now separators are defined like this: and is equal to quotes. Now if we want hash in between them, then we will use hash. Run. See, 1 0 hash 1, then hash 2 hash 3 hash 4 hash 5, 0 till 9, all the things are printed. Now suppose we doesn't want any symbol, so we can simply write space. Now it will print 1 space 2. See, 0 space 1 space 2. Okay, in this manner it will be printed. Okay. Now suppose we want tab, then what we will use? We will directly write here \t. See, 0 tab 1 tab 2 tab 3. Okay, so this thing is called as separators. Okay, suppose we doesn't want anything, then we will simply use no spaces. Single space, then a space will be printed. Okay, this thing is clear. Now see, suppose we want to print sum and average of first 10 number. So our number will start from 0, and we will also take a variable sum. Sum initialized to 0. Now every time sum will be incremented by sum is equal to sum plus I. Okay, or we can write it shorthand notation. So what's its shorthand notation? See, its shorthand notation is sum plus equal to I. Every time sum will be added with I. At the end of execution, we will write print sum will be comma sum. And suppose we want to take average, then we have to divide it by 10. So we will write print average sum divided by 10. Now sum divided with 10, it will give float value. Okay, it can give float value also. And if we will use this, then it will give integer division. Then it will definitely give integer value. Let's see. Suppose our number are starting from 1 and we are moving till 10. I is equal to 1. Now 1 to 10 average will be taken. Let's do it comment. Now see, average is 65, sum is 65 and average is 65 divided by 10. Okay.